Hello students, in this video I explain important problems in definite integrals. See, first one, integral of 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 3 by 2 x divided by sine to the power 3 by 2 x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 x into dx is. See, here we have the property integral of a to b f of x into dx is equals to, this result in the form property result is equals to integral of a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. We know this property. Now here using this property, now here we have, here consider first I is equals to given integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 3 by 2 x divided by sine to the power 3 by 2 x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 x into dx. Consider equation number 1. Now apply this property. This result becomes I is equals to integral of 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 0 plus pi by 2 is pi by 2 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x divided by sine to the power 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x into dx. Next, sine of 90 minus theta is sine x. So it is in first quadrant, all are positive. 90 minus theta, here we get the result integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 3 by 2 x divided by cos to the power 3 by 2 x plus sine to the power 3 by 2 x into dx. Now consider this is equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 implies, see, I plus I, left hand side we get 2i is equals to integral of 0 to pi by 2. Now here you can take directly, here we have 0 to pi by 2, here also we have 0 to pi by 2. We can take common is 0 to pi by 2. Remaining result, see, here we have denominator sine to the power 3 by 2 x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 x, same denominator is also same. We can consider denominator sine to the power 3 by 2 x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 x. See, numerator, here we have in first equation sine to the power 3 by 2 x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 x into dx. See, now here numerator and denominator same terms, this result gets cancelled. We get 2i is equals to integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 into dx. Integral of 1 is x. See, here 0 to pi by 2, upper limit is pi by 2, lower limit is 0. Here we get pi by 2. See, 2i is equals to pi by 2. This implies I is equals to pi by 4. I is equals to pi by 4. Option B is correct. See, here observe this result. See, given result in the form of 0 to pi by 2 sine, here we have 3 by 2. Sometimes they will give directly sine square x divided by sine square x plus cos square x, or they will change the power results. See, we discuss remaining forms in this results. So see, here using similar results but different functions. Here we have the value of 0 to pi by 2 integral results 2 to the power sin x divided by 2 to the power sin x plus 2 to the power cos x into dx is. See, here also same procedure. No need to solve all this, no need to write all the results. See, steps. Now here consider I is equals to this result, then change 0 to pi by 2, here we have function. Now you limits results, here apply property, integral of a to b f of x dx is equals to integral of a to b f of a plus b minus x results. We get results, the second term results, sin x is cos x, here also sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin results. We add the two results, we get integral of the result is 1 into dx form, integral of 1 is x. Apply the results, upper limit is pi by 2. Here we get 2i is equals to pi by 2. See, I is equals to pi by 4. See, you can directly consider answer D, option D, pi by 4. Now here, same procedure, power is 1000. Sine, sometimes they will give directly sin x divided by sin x plus cos x, but here we have power is 1000. See, now here, in the previous results also same procedure is from 3 by 2. Here instead of the result here we have 1000. You can consider directly select option C is pi by 4. See, here this is 2016 question paper problem. Now this result is 1999. So now here we have one more term, simple results, integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x divided by sin cube x plus cos cube x into dx. See, function results same, but here we have different power results. 3 here we have 1000. Here small change, that is as 2 to the power sin x divided by 2 to the power sin x plus 2 to the power cos x. Here also we get same answer, pi by 4. Here we have option B is pi by 4 is correct option. So next result, integral of pi by 4 to pi by 4. Sorry, this is integral of pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot x into dx, not pi by 4. Integral of pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot x into dx. Now here consider I is equals to given result. Integral of pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot x into dx. So integral of cot x is log of sin x. Log of sin x. Here pi by 4, lower limit, upper limit is pi by 2. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Here we get log of sin of pi by 2 minus log of sin of pi by 4. Say this result is equals to, I is equals to log of sin of pi by 2 is sin 90 degrees 1, log 1 minus log of sin of 45 degrees 1 by root 2. See, log 1 is 0. Here we get minus 1 log of 1 by root 2. See, a log b, we have logarithmic properties. Log of a to the power b can be written as b log a. See, b log a can also be written as log of a to the power b. Now here we have minus 1 form. This result can also be written as log of 1 by root 2 to the power minus 1. See, log of 1 by root 2 to the power minus 1 can be written as log of 1 divided by 1 by root 2. Reciprocal of that result can be written as log of root 2 base is understood. Option B is correct. See, here we have integral of 0 to 1 by 2 dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. We know the direct results. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of derivative of sin inverse x. We know this result directly. We can use this result 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now here integral of this result, inverse process. Integral of this result, what happens? Derivative d by dx is cancelled. Integral of this term is equals to, we get sin inverse of x result. Now here we have definite integral results. You consider I is equals to integral of 0 to 1 by 2 dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. Integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. 0 to 1 by 2. Upper limit is 1 by 2, lower limit is 0. Is equals to sin inverse of 1 by 2 minus sin inverse of 0. See, sin inverse of 0 is 0. Sin inverse of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 30 degree. 30 degrees pi by 6. Option B is correct. So this is also standard results form. Integral of sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. But here we have 1 by 1 plus tan x. This result, here we simplify the result. First consider I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by 1 plus tan x. This is given function. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. tan x can be written as sin by cos x. This result can be written as integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 divided by, or you can write directly dx divided by tan x can be written as sin x by cos x, 1 plus sin x divided by cos x. Then take LCM is cos x. Therefore this result can be written as integral of 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by cos x plus sin x divided by cos x, or you can write cos x into dx. Cos x into dx. Now observe here, apply here property. Here we get in the form of f of a plus b minus x notation form, or you can write directly. See, already we discussed a few results starting 1 to 4. You can directly consider cos x by cos x plus sin x, or sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. Both results are in the same concept results. You can consider this value is equals to pi by 4. Option B is correct. So now here we have one more. This is 2017 question paper, Karnataka CET 2017. See, now here also we have, instead of sin, here we have tan and cos is cot results. Same concept. Integral of 0 to pi by 2 tan to the power 7x divided by cot to the power 7x plus tan to the power 7x into dx. You can consider I, and suppose you follow the steps, you get same. Here we get tan plus cot, power is 7, denominator also cot plus tan, or tan plus cot is cancelled. We get 1 into dx. Integral of 1 is x pi by 2. 2i is equals to pi by 2. I is equals to pi by 4. Option B is correct. Next example, here we have I is equals to integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx divided by e to the power sin x plus 1. Now here apply property. Here consider equation number 1. Now apply the property. Integral of a to b f of x into dx can be written as integral of a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Now here we have a is minus pi by 2, b is pi by 2, then minus x. Now here we get I is equals to, apply this property, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is cancelled. We get dx divided by e to the power, here in the form of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus sin x. Here minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is cancelled. We get minus sin x plus 1 e to dx. Or suppose here e to the power minus multiplied and divided by e to the power minus sin x. This result can be done as integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here e to the power sin x divided by e to the power sin x. Here plus sin x gets cancelled. E to the power 0 is 1 plus e to the power sin x. Here consider equation number 2. Now here adding 1 and 2, or equation number 1 plus 2 implies I plus I is 2i. 2i is equals to, here we have limits, same limits, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. See, denominator is also same, LCM, 1 plus a to the power sin x. Numerator, here we have 1, here 1 plus e to the power sin x, 1 plus e to the power sin x into dx. See, numerator and denominator same term gets cancelled. We get 1 integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 1 into dx. Integral of 1 is x minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Upper limit is pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2. We get plus pi by 2. See, pi by 2 plus pi by 2. 2 pi by 2. 2 gets cancelled. We get pi. See, answer is pi. See, now here. See, here we have my integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx divided by e to the power sin x plus 1 is, here we have 4 options, 0, 1 minus pi by 2, pi by 2. See, now here we use property integral of a to b f of x into dx is equals to integral of a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. See, now here consider I is equals to, let I is equals to given result. Integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 1 into dx, or dx divided by e to the power sin x plus 1. Consider equation number 1. Then apply this property, we get this term minus sin x. Then multiplied and see here, otherwise both multiplied and see, otherwise we consider directly multiplied both numerator and denominator by e to the power sin x. See here, multiplied both numerator and denominator by e to the power sin x. 1 into e to the power sin x is e to the power sin x. Denominator e to the power minus sin x into e to the power sin x. E to the power sin x plus sin x minus sin x gets cancelled. We get e to the power 0 is 1 plus e to the power sin x. We consider equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 implies I plus I. We get 2i is equals to integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 1 plus e to the power sin x. Here observe, here denominator 1 plus e to the power sin x, here also we have 1 plus e to the power sin x. That is LCM form. Numerator, here we have 1, here e to the power sin x. See, both results are same, numerator and denominator gets cancelled. We get 1 into dx. Integral of 1 is x, then substitute limits. We get pi by 2 upper limit, lower limit is minus pi by 2. Here pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2 form, minus into minus plus, we get pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 2 gets cancelled, we get pi, right hand side value, right hand side result. Then left hand side we have 2i here, 2i is equals to pi, I is equals to pi by 2, option D is correct. So next result, important, I is equals to integral of 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x. See, here also apply same property. Integral of a to b f of x into dx is equals to integral of a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Now here we have a is 0, b is pi by 2. Now I is equals to, here consider equation number 1, this result. Next, integral of 0 to pi by 2 log of tan of 0 plus pi by 2 is pi by 2. Tan of pi by 2 minus x into dx. See, tan of 90 minus theta we get cot. 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x into dx. Consider equation number 2. See now here adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 implies I plus I is 2I is equals to integral of 0 to pi by 2. Here we have common term 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x plus log of cot x into dx. Log a plus log b. Here we have logarithmic indices form. Log a plus log b can be written as log of ab. Integral of 0 to pi by 2 log of ab means log of tan x into cot x into dx is equals to, say, integral of 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x into cot x. Cot x can be written as 1 by tan x. So tan x divided by tan x gets cancelled. We get 1. Say integral of 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 into dx. Log 1 is 0. Integral of 0 to pi by 2 0 into dx. Here we get 0. 2I is equals to 0. This implies I is equals to 0. Answer 0. Option A is correct. See here we have next example. I is equals to integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x into dx divided by 1 plus x square. So now here apply, say consider equation number 1. Apply here also same property, integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 gets cancelled. We get minus x, cos of minus x. Write one more step, this result minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x divided by 1 plus, not x square, this is e to the power x. E to the power x. Here also e to the power x. See now here 1 plus e to the power x. E to the power pi by, see here we consider minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x. Plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 gets cancelled. Here also plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 gets cancelled into dx. Here we get is equals to I is equals to integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos of minus x. Cos of minus x is cos x. Cos x divided by 1 plus e to the power minus x into dx. Now here multiplied and see here both numerator and denominator multiplied by e to the power x. We get integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 e to the power x into cos x divided by e to the power x plus 1 into dx. Consider equation number 2. Now here adding 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 implies I plus I is 2I is equals to integral of, here we have limits are same, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here we have cos x. See denominator is e to the power x plus 1 or 1 plus e to the power x. The denominator term is same, 1 plus e to the power x. So numerator, here we have cos x, here we have e to the power x cos x. We can take common is cos x. The cos x is common term. Remaining is 1 plus e to the power x. So numerator and denominator 1 plus e to the power x is same. It gets cancelled. Here we get cos x into dx. Integral of cos x is sin x. See minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. See now here substitute upper limit minus of lower limit. Here sin of pi by 2 minus of sin of minus pi by 2. Sin of minus x is equals to minus sin x is this form. Therefore here we get sin of 90 is 1 minus into minus plus sin of pi by 2. Apply the property. Here is equals to 1 plus sin of pi by 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. See here 2i is equals to 2. 2i is equals to 2. 2 gets cancelled. I is equals to 1. I is equals to 1. Option A is correct. See now here we have I is equals to integral of minus 3 to 3 cot inverse of x into dx. See here we know relation means standard result property. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Now here we have cot inverse x. Cot inverse of x is equals to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x. Now here we can write cot inverse x can also be written as pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, because the tan inverse x is an odd function. Integral of odd function is 0. See integral of minus 3 to 3 pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x into dx. Now here pi by 2 integral of 1 into dx, here we get x minus integral of tan inverse x is 0, minus 3 to 3 because it is an odd function. Integral of odd function is 0. Now here minus 3 to 3. Pi by 2, upper limit is 3. 3 minus of minus 3 is equals to pi by 2. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6 pi divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 pi is equals to I. So this result is equals to 3 pi. Option A is correct. So here we have integral of 0 to 1 dx divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x into dx. Now here we have negative sign, e to the power minus. Now here multiply both numerator and denominator by e to the power x. We get integral of 0 to 1. See, multiplied by e to the power x on both numerator and denominator. We get integral of 0 to 1 e to the power x into dx divided by e to the power x into e to the power x is e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus x plus x gets cancelled. E to the power 0 is equals to 1. Or we can write 1 plus e to the power x. 1 plus e to the power x or 2x or e to the power x whole square. So now here using substitution method, here we consider put e to the power x is equals to t, derivative of this result, derivative of this term is e to the power x into dx is equals to dt. Now here substitute e to the power x is t, we get 1 by t square into dt. Now this result becomes I is equals to integral of, here we consider 0 to 1, or we can consider directly in this format 1 divided by 1 plus x square form. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square you can consider directly tan inverse of x, but here we have e to the power x, the place of x is here e to the power x. See, here we have 0 to 1 is equals to tan inverse of e to the power 1 minus tan inverse of e to the power 0. This result is tan inverse of e minus tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse of e minus pi by 4. Option B is correct. So here we have I is equals to integral of 1 to x log x to the power 2 divided by x into dx. See, here log of a to the power b. This result can be done as 2 into log of x divided by x integral of 1 to x into dx. Now here consider log x is equals to t. Substitution method, put log x is, here consider t, derivative of this result is 1 by x into dx is equals to dt form. Okay. See, now here I consider integral of indefinite integral form log x into 1 by x dx result can be done as integral of t into dt result. Integral of t is t square by 2. See, now here replace here t is equals to log x. This result can be done as log x whole square divided by 2. See, now here we have 2 into this result. Now here 2 into log x whole square divided by 2. Here 1 to x. See here 2 gets cancelled. Here remaining is, see here final term I is equals to upper limit is x, lower limit is 1. See now right here, see I is equals to log of x, same x whole square minus log 1 whole square. See, log 1 is 0. This term becomes 0 is equals to log x whole square is the required solution. Option A is correct. Now observe here I is equals to 1 to x log of x square divided by 2. This a to the power b form, a into log b results 2 log x divided by x into dx. Here you know the result, you can directly right format. No need to write this result. Otherwise, using substitution method, suppose we consider log x is t, derivative of the result is 1 by x into dx is equals to dt. Now apply in indefinite results form. Here integral of the term, here we get log x whole square, see t square divided by 2. See log x into 1 by x dx can be written as t into dt. Integral of t is t square by 2. Then this is indefinite. T is substitute the result log x. Log x whole square divided by 2. Now here we have result integral of 1 to x, this term. Integral of this term, here we get 2 is this term take outside, that is 2 into integral of this result, here we get log x whole square divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Here we have limits 1 to x. X upper limit, lower limit is 1. Upper limit substitute, x is same, log x whole square minus log 1 whole square. Log 1 is 0, that is log x whole square. Option E is correct. See here we have a modulus function 0 to 6 mod of x minus 3 into dx is. Now here, first here we define modulus of x minus 3 is. See x minus 3 positive, another one is x minus 3, or we can consider 3 minus x. See now here x minus 3, if x is greater than or equals to 3. Next my x minus 3, or this result can also be written as 3 minus x, this result x is less than 3. Okay, now here we spread the result. Integral of, here we have I is equals to 0 to 6 modulus of x minus 3 into dx is equals to integral of, here we consider 0 to 3. Say 0 to 3, 3 minus x into dx. Next into dx plus integral of 3 to 6 x minus 3 into dx, this result. X is greater than or equals to 3, x less than 3, we consider 3 minus x or minus of x minus 3. Next integral of this result, 3 integral of 3 is constant term, integral of 1 is x minus integral of x is x square by 2, this is 0 to 3, plus x minus 3, integral of x is x square by 2 minus 3x. Now this result is 3 to 6. Now simplify the result. This result is equals to, here we substitute upper limit is 3, lower limit is 0. Upper limit is 3, this result becomes 3 into 3. 9 minus 3 square. 3 square is 9 divided by 2. Next minus of x is 0, whole term becomes 0. No need to write plus. Here upper limit is 6, lower limit is 3. 6 square 36 divided by 2 minus 3 into 6 18 minus of x is 3, 3 square 9 by 2 minus 3 into 3 9 minus 9. See now here we get the result. Here simplify the result. 36, here LCM is 1. The 36 minus 18 into 2, 36, this whole term becomes vanishes. Second term. Now here 9 minus 9 by 2, remaining result, I write here 9 minus 9 by 2 minus of this term, minus 9 by 2 plus 9. Then take LCM is 2 here. So otherwise 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 minus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2, 2 9 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, we get 9 minus 9 is equals to 18 minus 9 is equals to 9. Option B is correct. Thank you students. Continue next video.